Hello, I am Professor Mohan Sani, or rather, this is my digital AI-generated avatar.
In this video, let me explain the difference between a digital avatar and a digital twin
and show you how I am building my own digital twin
using an avatar. So
what's
a digital
avatar?
A digital avatar is a likeness or a representation of a human being
That talks like, looks like, and acts like them.
So to build a digital avatar, what you would do is record video or record audio, depending on whether it's an audio avatar or a video avatar.
And then, whatever language or words or script you feed it, that avatar will speak like that individual. So that is the idea of the digital avatar. Now, the interesting thing is that the digital avatar will only speak what you tell it to, right? Because it has to learn from a script. Now, what's a digital twin?
A digital twin is again a representation or a version of a human being, but now this digital twin not only looks like and acts like, it thinks like that individual. And that's interesting.
So as opposed to the digital avatar simply regurgitating what is in the script,
in a digital twin, we train it with our knowledge. We train it with what we know.
And then it learns that. And then when you're interacting with the digital twin, it is basically using that knowledge base to interact with you on demand. So now you can have a conversation with the digital twin.
And by the way, why is it called a twin? Because the more I learn, the more it learns.
And in an ideal world, your digital twin is actually connected
to the physical twin. And by the way, how does that work? I might provide my digital twin with a knowledge base, a set of articles that I have written.
And it gets trained on that, and then it speaks with my knowledge.
But imagine a scenario where I am always carrying a recording device on me, and as I am speaking new things,
my digital twin is updating its knowledge base, and it is learning.
So, using these ideas, I have built an early version of a digital twin for myself that I have trained on a specific domain, and that is product management content. Now, I have many articles and case studies and white papers, as well as video recordings and audio recordings related to product management that I've collected over 20 years. So this massive database of knowledge, over 500 documents, was used to train my digital twin. And now you can literally go and ask my digital twin anything that I know about product management. And as I write new stuff, as I make more speeches, as I record more videos, it will get smarter. So you can try out my digital twin, check it out, and interview it to gain insights into product management.
Hello there, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you for taking this time to answer some questions for me. The first question I have in mind is, what are the roles and responsibilities of a chief product officer?
Greetings. It's great to hear that you're doing well. The roles and responsibilities of a chief product officer typically involve leading product strategy, overseeing product development, and ensuring alignment with the company's goals. They play a crucial role in driving innovation and growth within the organization.
Thank you for that. But what are the skills needed to be a good product leader?
To excel as a product leader, a mix of technical expertise and soft skills is essential. Effective communication, strategic thinking, and the ability to bring diverse teams together are key. Additionally, staying updated on industry trends and being adaptable to change are vital qualities for success.
So lastly, what are the elements of a go-to-market, the GTM plan?
The essential elements of a go-to-market GTM plan include target customers, channel and communication plans, operational readiness, value proposition, customer acquisition, routes to market, and financial forecasts.
Going forward, you can imagine that I could create different variants of this digital twin. I could train one on AI, what I know about AI, what I know about digital marketing, what I know about life. But ultimately, all this knowledge can be fused together to create a digital twin that is me. Now, these ideas, as you push them into the future, start to look really interesting and scary. Imagine that you build a digital twin that knows everything about you, that has your mannerisms, your feelings, your gestures, your knowledge, your emotions, and then you die. You never die because your digital twin is immortal, except its training data ends when your life ended. But these are some really interesting notions. You could build digital twins of your grandmother or your grandparents or people who have passed away, and they can stay immortal. So very interesting, very scary, but I think the applications of digital twins are diverse. They are being used in medical applications because you can now perform surgery on a digital twin of a patient. They're being used in mental health. In fact, the startup company that I've been working with is using digital twin to actually capture your words and the psycholinguistic markers to provide mental health counseling. And there are many, many other applications. So that is the distinction between a digital avatar and a digital twin, and some of the applications of digital twins. A lot is still to come. This technology is going to get better and more realistic, and it will provide for some breathtaking as well as some really scary applications.